If you own a truck powered by the legendary Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the 5.3 LV8, here's the hard truth. This engine can run forever. Or, well, it can self-destruct early if you ignore a few critical weak points. Mechanics who see these trucks every day all say the same thing. Most failures are preventable. Let's break down the real insider fixes, the kind that don't show up in glossy brochures or dealership service plans, but absolutely should. Why the Silverado 5.3 can be bulletproof for a time bomb. The 5.3 LV8, especially Gen 4 and Gen 6, is part of GM's LLT engine family, widely respected for durability, but once active fuel management, AFM, also known as displacement on demand, DOD, entered the picture, things changed. On paper, AFM is brilliant. It shuts down 4 cylinders during cruising to improve fuel economy. In reality, it's one of the biggest reasons these engines fail early. Here's why mechanics hate it. Special AFM lifters are fragile, oil pressure becomes inconsistent, components wear unevenly, carbon buildup increases, and when it fails, it doesn't fail quietly. The number one secret: fix AFM before it fixes you. Option 1, electronic AFM disabler. Quick fix. This is the easiest and fastest solution. Plug a device into your OBD2 port and it keeps your engine running in full V8 mode 100% of the time. Why it works: prevents lifters from switching modes constantly, keeps oil flow stable, reduces long-term wear. What mechanics say: it's not a permanent fix, but it dramatically lowers your risk. Option 2, full AFM delete. The real solution. This is what experienced mechanics recommend. Replacing AFM lifters with standard lifters, installing a non-AFM camshaft, reprogramming the ECU. Why it matters: once AFM is gone, the engine behaves like the older ultra-reliable LS engines. Expert insight. Many engine builders say a properly deleted 5.3 can easily exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The oil problem nobody talks about enough. AFM doesn't just stress lifters, it also wrecks oil control over time. That's why oil maintenance isn't optional, it's survival. Change oil way earlier than GM says. Forget the dashboard oil life monitor. Do this instead. Change oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Use Dexos 1 Gen 2 full synthetic 5W30. Why? Keeps lifters properly lubricated, prevents sludge buildup, maintains oil pressure, stability. Mechanic insight. Most lifter failures they see come from extended oil intervals, not mileage. Clean the oil pressure sensor screen. This tiny part causes huge problems. It's located under the oil pressure sensor, and honestly, it gets clogged with debris pretty often. When that happens, it restricts oil flow to the lifters. Now here are the symptoms. You might see false low oil pressure readings, hear some random ticking noises, or deal with intermittent engine issues. Cleaning or replacing the screen is cheap, but if you ignore it, it can destroy your engine. The hidden killer here is carbon buildup. Modern versions of the 5.3, especially those direct injection models, really suffer from intake carbon buildup. Install an oil catch can. So what does it do? Well, it traps oil vapors before they reach the intake valves, keeps combustion cleaner, and reduces knocking and power loss. Why does this matter? Without it, carbon builds up on the valves, hurting both performance and efficiency. Now, here's the transmission fix most owners miss. Here's a surprise for you. Your engine might actually die because of your transmission. It's called the thermal bypass modification. Many Silverado transmissions don't circulate fluid through the cooler early enough, and the result is overheating, fluid breakdown, and yeah, the dreaded Chevy shudder. The fix? Just modify or replace the thermal bypass valve so fluid flows sooner. Gertrude and den schras trimaiber, bin shriki san, and upper stua, are section, that quanding. En nakrupize dakorstenscher detterstapetswort, in afursin dacts and why nonder. And one of the biggest silent killers of drivetrain longevity. Simple maintenance that saves thousands. These things are cheap, but honestly, they really matter. Clean your throttle body and mass airflow sensor. This prevents rough idle and helps you avoid those reduced engine power warnings. It also keeps your air-fuel mix accurate. When it comes to cooling system maintenance, flush your coolant every 60 to 100,000 miles. That prevents overheating and head gasket failure. Now for spark plugs and ignition health, replace your plugs on schedule. Misfires can damage catalytic converters and other engine components. Here are some warning signs you should never ignore. The lifter tick. If you hear ticking that doesn't go away when warm or gets louder over time, you may already have a failing lifter. Ignore it, and you risk camshaft destruction, a full engine rebuild, blue smoke, or high oil consumption. And if you're adding oil constantly, something's wrong. Alright, let's talk about some common causes behind these issues, things like AFM-related ring wear valve seal problems and PCV system troubles. Now here's a reality check. Burning oil is not normal, it's actually a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. So, what do real mechanics say about all this? Well, technicians who work on GM trucks every single day consistently point to three important truths. First, AFM is really the root of most major failures. Second, oil maintenance is absolutely everything. And third, making small preventative upgrades can actually save you from massive repair bills down the road. Another hidden problem you might not realize is carbon buildup, especially in direct injection versions of the 5.3. Over time, carbon deposits can form on the intake valves, which reduces both performance and efficiency. One really effective preventive measure is installing an oil catch can. This handy device captures oil vapors before they make it to the intake system, which helps keep combustion cleaner, reduces knocking, and maintains your engine's performance. Instead of just relying on the dashboard oil life monitor, which, honestly, often stretches oil change intervals too far, it's a lot safer to change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Using the correct oil, like Dexos 1 Gen 2 Full Synthetic 5W30, helps maintain proper lubrication, prevents sludge buildup, and keeps oil pressure stable. Many mechanics actually point out that most lifter failures they see are caused by extended oil change intervals, not necessarily high mileage. There's also a small but critical component that often gets overlooked, the oil pressure sensor screen. This tiny screen, located right beneath the oil pressure sensor, can get clogged with debris over time. When that happens, oil flow to the lifters gets restricted. You might notice symptoms like false low oil pressure readings, random ticking noises, or even some intermittent engine issues. Cleaning or replacing this inexpensive part can actually prevent some pretty serious engine damage. One experienced engine builder put it perfectly: the 5.3 is one of the best engines GM ever made, once you remove the stuff that ruins it. And, surprisingly, the transmission can play a role in engine longevity too. Many Silverado transmissions suffer from poor fluid circulation early on because of the thermal bypass valve. This can cause overheating, fluid breakdown, and that well-known Chevy shudder. By modifying or replacing the thermal bypass valve so fluid flows sooner, you can really reduce transmission temperatures and improve your drivetrain's overall longevity. Beyond those bigger fixes, there are actually several simple maintenance steps that can save you thousands of dollars over time. Things like cleaning the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor help prevent rough idling and keep your air-fuel mixture accurate. Regular cooling system maintenance, like flushing your coolant every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, helps prevent overheating and head gasket failure. Keeping your spark plugs in good condition is also critical, since misfires can damage your catalytic converters and other engine parts. So, here's the ultimate survival plan for your 5.3. If you want your Silverado to last as long as those legendary older trucks, focus on these steps. Disable or delete AFM immediately. Change your oil every 3 to 5,000 miles. Install a catch can. Address transmission cooling early, and always stay ahead of small maintenance items.